So there was at least three different instances this week where somebody guessed I'm like 20 something years old. About 24 seems to be the magic number for whatever reason. Then I let them know I'm over 40. Then they shit a brick. And then we all get a good laugh. It's pretty awesome. So I figured I would make an invitation out of that because I guess I'm some sort of living embodiment of anti-aging concepts. Not that we're anti-getting older. We just want to get older, but as we get older, we want to feel better, move better, have better energy, just overall look and feel younger as we get older. So, and here's what is behind all of that. And that is a healthy lifestyle, stuff that everybody knows about, what we eat, what we put into our bodies, how we think, and how we don't stress. Now that one is severely underrated. And I've found through personal experience, when you don't have to worry about bills because you've got residual money, that makes all the difference in the world. Most people don't have it. They're trying to pay residual bills with ordinary earned income, and you can't get ahead of that curve. But if you have residual money, all your stress about money is gone. Funding the next trip, not just bills, but funding whatever, paying for the better food, the better stuff you want. So it all, everything is interrelatable with everything else. The food, the money, the physical activity, how you think, all of it. So if you want to come with me, I've been doing it for 11 years now. I typed up a beautiful blog about it, and I've got a video about it. And if you want the blog or the video or both, just comment below or private message me. I'll send it to you. And if you want to come with me on this natural health journey of these anti-aging concepts where you're looking and feeling younger as we get older, then I invite you to come with me. Just ask me for the info in the blog or the video or both, and I'll talk to you later. It's a good thing when people guess that you're decades younger than you really are. No joke. You want people to think you're decades younger than you are? Then yeah, let's go. Let's do this. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Mwah.